Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products on the market so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the best memory foam 36 by 28 inch waterproof liner dog orthopedic bed, the ultimate cozy haven for your furry friend. Whether you've got an aging dog or a pup that simply loves a plush nap spot, this bed might just be your pet's next favorite place. Let's talk design and build. This orthopedic dog sofa bed is made by URPET and comes in a rich brown color that blends nicely with most home decor. It measures 36 inches long, 28 inches wide, and stands 10 inches tall, ideal for large breeds who need plenty of room to sprawl. The outer material is a soft, velvety fabric, giving it a luxurious feel that pets love to snuggle into. What makes this bed really stand out is its high-density orthopedic memory foam. The sleeping area is built to distribute your dog's weight evenly, relieving pressure on joints and promoting healthier, deeper sleep. If your pet suffers from arthritis, hip dysplasia, or general discomfort, this kind of foam support is a game changer. Surrounding the bed on three sides are deeply padded bolsters filled with 70% shredded memory foam and 30% polyester fiber. This balance gives a firm yet soft cushion for your dog's neck and shoulders. It's a thoughtful touch that supports multiple sleep positions. Whether your dog likes to curl up or stretch out, the bolsters have them covered. One of the highlights of this URPET dog bed is the built-in waterproof liner. The memory foam is fully protected against spills, accidents, and drool, which, let's be honest, is a lifesaver. If you've got a puppy in training or a senior dog, that added protection really matters. Cleaning is also a breeze. The outer zippered cover comes off in seconds and is fully machine washable. No more awkwardly spot cleaning a dirty dog bed. Just unzip, wash, and you're good to go. The bottom of the bed features a non-skid base, which keeps it firmly in place. Whether it's on hardwood, tile, or carpet, it won't slide around, even when your dog jumps on with excitement. Another neat design feature is the lowered front entry point. This makes it easier for older dogs or dogs with joint pain to step in and out without putting pressure on their knees. It's these small, smart details that really make a difference in everyday use. Now, when you first receive the bed, it might look a bit flat due to vacuum packaging. Don't worry. Just lay it flat in a well-ventilated area for 24 to 72 hours. It'll expand fully and any slight foam smell will disappear. That's normal with memory foam and not something to worry about. To wrap it up, the URPET orthopedic dog bed offers premium comfort, excellent joint support, a waterproof liner, easy maintenance, and a design that works for both pets and pet parents. At 36 by 28 inches, it's generously sized for large dogs and built to last. If your dog deserves the best, and let's be honest, they do, this bed delivers on comfort, quality, and convenience. Don't forget to hit like if this video helped you out, subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on reviews, and let us know in the comments what products you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and here's to happier, healthier naps for your best friend. See you in the next one.